Kumshi Bynta ban Rakhe ya ka Sngi Laitluid ba nyup khundai jong kari ka office jong deputy commissioner lambat ka district sports office Bhoi district Bynta ka Sngi ke la Pynlong ya ka Jingmareh ka ba nyu kilometer man kin tiu ya ka jingko jingkhia mar ka jingshim Bynta lang jong kishnong githau Lapan sedang ni kini ke Jingmareh na le by marken ha dulong nar bar lapan kutpan ha NSCA Indo Stadium lengkedan nong po kani ke Jingmareh kelasaki ya ke Jingwan ishi Bynta shitraham jong ars pa angut na keleng ki Bynta jong ka district Uchai Tanya Awasti IAS SDO Patharkma Civil Subdivision Bhoi ulalong ukongsan ha ka ba ulakawe lama ya ke Jingmareh Balasan ran lang dau pa Bobby L Nongben District Sports Officer kari Bhoi lem bat kiwe dia. Haka program penkut lasa miki kusnam song pisa shikinong jom. Ki he opsan kila ong bagani ka program kalong kum ka jing sedang ka babiang baha ban Rakhe ka Sngi Laitluid jong ka district. Kaban kintiyo ka minsim ri bat kum ju ban yo ya ka met ka pakoin bakhia.
Okay, thank you.
It's also a day to remember the brave freedom fighters who fought for our country, for our liberty. So, here the flag is in front of me, and also I just want to share with you that this color represents a lot of meaning. The saffron color here represents the courage, the white for peace, and the green color for prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra in the middle reminds us that we have to move forward. Let us promise together and united and to work together for a strong, independent and prosperous India. Happy Independence
Day to all of you. Very quickly, I'll just take 1 or 2 minutes of your time and just let you know why is this important, and I'm really grateful to the district sports officer and his entire team who have conducted this marathon. Just remember, you all are young people. I was just asking him what is the mix of the people who are running. He said old ones also. Just remember that Independence Day is just not another day, you know. A lot of your foremothers and forefathers have laid down their lives to let alone, there was a time where people could not walk on these streets, let alone run in a marathon. So a lot of sacrifice has gone beyond. It is our duty to not forget it. So when you run today, run with that spirit that there was a time that we could not walk on these streets freely, and today is the time we can run on these streets freely. So appreciate that sacrifice that has gone, and there's no better way to appreciate it than being a fit citizen. So it's a great occasion to contribute to the well-being of the society by leading by example. So I wish you all the very best. I've heard there are some exciting prizes also, but irrespective of the prizes, just run for yourselves and your fitter bodies, right?